Welcome back to another adventure in the heart of Sumba. In the last video you joined me as I explored this breathtaking island with my friends and local family. Today the journey continues and this time it's all about you experiencing Sumba like never before. I'll take you to the most authentic and untouched parts of the island, introduce you to the incredible locals and share moments that will make you feel like you're right there with us, living the adventure of a lifetime. Selamat pagi from Indomaret. Fun fact, there have been Indomarets and Alfamarts for 2 months now in Sumba and they have never been here before. And what is really funny, we were trying to get some coffee but look at the shelves here. Hi! Showing the empty shelves. How are you? But they just told me that they get all new supplies 2 weeks ago and now it's after 2 weeks everything is basically empty, so that is so interesting. Every 2 weeks new stuff comes and if you're late then there's nothing in the shelves anymore. What's your name?
My name is Leonie. Hi Blenda.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Have a good day. I will see you. Bye. Bye Jason. See you next time Jason. That was a very successful Indomaret run this morning.
Oh my God,
Gotta
so
love
cute.
it. So cute, these people. Oh. We have a special guest today in the car. Hello. Selamat pagi, Mboy.
Hello.
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 Dada. Yeah. So cute. He's sitting here in the front. Look at him. Living the absolute best life. Aren't you adorable? Oh. Wait, what? How does he call me?
Tante Bule.
Tante Bule. That's me, Tante Bule. Oh, wow. Mantap. Right now, Mother Nature is showing us who truly is boss because it is raining like crazy. We are literally stuck in a storm. So we escaped to Jacky's house. Oh my god. And we're gonna have a family lunch here and just enjoy each other's company. So I'll take you guys along. We just heard that it's not raining there at the waterfall, so we're gonna drive 1 hour with the whole crew and then we're still gonna go to the waterfall. Yay! So we've been driving I think for an hour and I've been extremely car sick, so that's why I didn't vlog, but they had to move the wood which was on the road because this is where we are driving right now. You okay?
Yay!
Yay. Okay. So hopefully it's not long anymore. But yeah, the circumstances are wild. We are again in the wilderness and I love it. And after a long and intense car ride, we made it to the village. And fun fact, we are the first foreigners to ever be here. So it is really cool to be here. And there are right now 2 people where we are spending a little bit of time with. Here you can see it. This is their house. And oh, okay. Night. Okay, the guys are saying that we really need to go because it's already 4:30 and we have a waterfall to catch. So let's just keep going and find this waterfall. It is actually in private territory, so we have the owner of the land with us as well. And that is why we are able to see this waterfall. Otherwise we could not visit it. It is not open for the public. This hike was way longer than we expected. The guys said 5 minutes, but the hike was longer. So unfortunately, we didn't make it completely down to the waterfall, but we've been hanging out here at the top. And I mean, It's not a bad place to be stuck and I absolutely love it. It is so green here. We can hear the waterfall in the back. We can see the beautiful river. The sun is setting and it is only gratitude right now. You can see the beautiful purple pink sky in the back. And man, Sumba is just true fairy tale land. I keep saying it, but this is really wilderness, baby, and I love it. And while the rest of us went down to actually see the waterfall, me and Tara and Jecky decided to stay on top of the hill to enjoy the view and watch the sun go down. It's moments like this when you realize how beautiful our planet Earth is and how peaceful and grounding nature actually can be. We even had some curious locals who came to say hi to us while riding their horse in the middle of nowhere. We couldn't understand a single word, but we just wanted to be in each other's presence for a while. Sumba Island has this incredible way of pulling you into its rhythm, and today was no exception. From the moment we started our day, we were captivated by the beautiful local people working hard in their fields and alongside the roadsides. There's something so humbling about witnessing their daily lives. They're so rooted in the earth and so connected. Our first stop is Chua Lagoon, one of my absolute favorite places in Sumba. It's a piece of pure raw beauty and spending time here is always amazing. These beautiful waters and the untouched nature, it just feels like time stands still for a moment here. As we continued down the road, we passed more of the island's landscapes and people. Then something caught my eye. An older woman was sitting by the roadside and her white hair was glowing in the afternoon sun. There was something so graceful and beautiful about her presence that I just couldn't resist. I had to ask Jecky if we could stop and say hello. We were immediately welcomed into her family's home, led to meet this extraordinary woman. She was over 100 years old, her skin telling stories of a century lived, adorned with tattoos that seemed to hold pieces of history. The family was so warm and kind, and we ended up staying longer than we planned, playing with the kids and soaking in their joy. Moments like these are why I love traveling so much. It's not just about the places, but the people who make them come alive. After having this beautiful meeting, it was time to rush to the next beach to have our next special encounter. As the sun dipped lower, we met some surfer boys who were ready for the evening waves. We ended up spending some time with them and learning about their daily routines. Sumba just has this magic. It's not just the landscapes or the sunsets, but the way it connects you to the world, to people and to moments that remind you of what it feels like to truly live. Some days are just meant to record every single piece of it, and today is one of those days. We are now back in our hotel, back to where everything started, and this journey has come to an end. It has been absolutely magical. I cannot describe Sumba any better than it's just pure fairy tale land. Jecky and his whole family and his whole friend group, they are all such angels. They're family to us. So shout out to you guys for making this trip again so special. I've had the time of my life, and for you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you had just as much fun as I did, and as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!